I've got lots of delivery from, you know, I love unboxing so much. So let's unbox. I have a lot of things to unbox. Okay, the first one here is this for bathing. You know, when you are going to bathe baby, you need something handy to carry their soap, you know, cream, sponge, and all those little things you might need in the bathroom. So okay, I got these slippers. This one for, I will use it in the hospital. Okay, this one is sandal from Chinonso. Oh, this is quite big. It's Chinonso sandal. It's quite big, but I'll keep it because this boy's leg is growing very fast. Oh, this one is the spray. Let me see. Fitted sheets. Oh, I bought sandals. But if it's not every time I'll be wearing shoes to drive. Right, so let me get sandals since you're going into some. Let me test it and see how it looks like. Wow, this is nice. Oh, this is beautiful. See? If it has other colors, I'll buy it though. What's this one? Oh, this is another spread. Okay. I said let me buy a gown, you know, to be very free on me. What is this one? Okay, this one is a fitted sheet as well. This is another fitted sheet. It's beautiful. I don't even know when I put this. Oh, soap dish. Soap dish. It's a little bit on the big side. Why to size him? The next month it will be his size. Fitted sheet again. I think I bought so many. Oh yeah, because my husband will be moving to the other room, to make space here for me and our incoming tenant. This one is for my tummy. This one is for my tummy. Let me see. Oh no, I can't try it now. It's large. Should be when I offload. That's when I'll try it. This one is locked for fridge. This will prevent you also from having access to open the fridge where I'll be keeping baby breast milk. And this one is a door lock.